This is very beautiful area. Coriander, yes, and chili, fantastic. And a little greenhouse, and a yellow, what's it called, that pink house. Right. And a very sleepy old cow. It looks strange with the head. Hello, hello, are you going to marriage?
Oh, fine.
Wedding?
Oh, okay.
Thank you. It is very difficult to pay the ticket because you have to go on the internet to pay, and foreigners don't have internet. And it's very complicated to find out what to do. This is Tipu Sultan again in his summer palace number 2 here in Mysore. Now we are invaded a school, not a school class, a whole school. This is very beautiful area. So nice. And school is Almas. Here you are. And here is the palace. In case of enemy, we have cannons. Big cannons. Very good. This is from the second Mysore-Britain War, where Mysore, they won over the British.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. This is very beautiful, but it is not allowed to take pictures here. And all the school children. This is very beautiful. Very well kept. Very well kept. Now we are going inside. They are more than 200 years old. Not very well kept here inside. Here in the Great Hall it's better. I'm sure Tipo said up here and looked at his people. Beautiful decorations. And schoolboys. And this is an warrior. Hussein. A lot of guns. Please maintain silence. This is a big battle. Wonderful picture. The great historical painting ended with the death of the Tipu Sultan. Here the Tipu Sultan and the great palace here. Now there he sat and ruled. Srirangapatnam. Cows. Historical town. They make these paintings to keep bad spirits away from their home. This one is a very complicated pattern. And look at these nice houses they live in. They're working hard. 3 men is looking at one man who is working. And that's the principal. Thank you. Very good. He said it was okay. Very good. Fascinating. It is very common to make these figures here. This must be the main road. Friends Paradise. Lunch place. It's not good enough. No. Coconut bike. Yeah. Disco. Masjid-e Allah. Muslim temple. Main trees. Musk. And coconut. Coconut. And this is the salesman. We are approaching Kumar Chicken Center here. You can buy fresh chicken if you want chicken for lunch. You can buy it here. Really fresh. Thank you.
Welcome.
More mandala. Yeah, det er rigtigt. Wonderful mandala. Take a look at this house. It's very nice. Outside stairway. Beautiful decorated. Ah, beautiful colors they have those houses. Yeah. Beautiful, very beautiful. Thank you. Very nice. Very cozy. This is a very old house. This is a little not so good anymore. Nandi is there in a very old wall. It's newly restored. This is the holy mother cow. You can see that everywhere. And look at the fantastic colors they have those houses. Coriander, yes, and chili, fantastic, and a little greenhouse, and a yellow, what's it called, that pink house. Right. These are complicated, and look at this over here. One more here. Nandi temple And here they have against evil spirits. And a very sleepy old cow. It looks strange with the head. Now it wakes up. Hello, cow. A papaya tree in the middle of that village. And the Muslim women don't like to be photographed. The Volvo group. Pure drinking water. Very good. Very good, Volvo. Hello, hello. Are you going to marriage?
Oh, fine.
Wedding?
Oh, okay, okay.
Thank you.